Hi guys, just 30 seconds on why I like the brackets text editor for this type of work, particularly HTML, CSS and JavaScript, because that's what it's written in. So first things first, you open the folder of the project in the same way as you would with any text editor. So now here's my HTML on this side. I have a CSS file and a CSS Reset file, which is going to confuse us here. I should have deleted that before I started this. So the first thing I do is I go over here to the lightning strike. When I click on the lightning strike, it automatically launches a live version of the page. Here we go, fully interactive. So the first thing I want to do, I see this section here. I want to know what's going on in that section. I highlight it on the live web page. It automatically highlights it in my CSS. So maybe I scroll down, I want to see where this section is, I highlight this section, it jumps to that section in the HTML. Same with the other way, if I highlight this here, it automatically flashes. You may have seen it or not, I'll do it again on the sign up piece, flashes on the live web page to tell me which piece that is being affected. Now in this case, I'm going to highlight the whole section and I'm going to press Ctrl E. It automatically drops the CSS panel. Now all of this is the CSS reset, so that's confusing. Let's ignore it. Over here is the actual section that we've highlighted. I click on that section, and as you can see, it shows me exactly what the CSS is that has been applied to that tag. I then want to say maybe shrink the page down a little, so do 80, and now as you can see, it immediately affects the page. I want to get out of that CSS tag, escape to get out of it. So as you can see, we have two-way control. We can see the HTML, see how it affects the web page. We can touch on the web page and it automatically goes to the HTML. We can highlight any tag, ID or class, Control E, and it shows us the CSS that's applied to that section. We can affect or change that section's CSS, and it immediately shows us the results in the live web page. I think that is pretty compelling. Last things, of course, if you've got any image files, you can, that's draw files. There you go. You can hide, and it will show you in the window. That's it, folks. Hope that was helpful.